G'day guys and girls, and it's John Nicholas here from MyExcelOnline.com, and I'm the Chief Inspirational Officer here, and I'm here to inspire you to get better at Excel. Now I have a free 60-minute Excel webinar, and I'm going to show you some awesome tips and tricks that are going to make you better at Excel. Now let's quickly go through the webinar and what I'm going to show you within those 60 minutes. Alright, so it gives you formulas in there. So you can actually sum the whole row, okay? It just automatically sums it, or you can count it. It gives you how many transactional rows of data we have there, and also we can do an average in here and drop it in there. So as you can see, it's put it all in order for us in years and in salesperson and products. Design option, we have over 80 different styles in here, light, medium to dark. Just depends on what you like. You can just scroll across and you can see that you get a live preview, which is awesome. What it gives us is just a difference between the previous month. So the difference between Jan and Feb, you can see there was an increase of 95,000, and then there was a decrease of 83,000 from Feb to March, and then March to April there was an increase of 124, and so on and so on. Okay, so you can see the difference from the previous month, and these are the increments. 10,000, and we can put in 100,000, or we can put in 20,000, whatever we want. Let's just use 10,000 and press OK. And look at that, it gives us the sales ranges. Let's put in the salesperson and press OK. All right, so here we have one of our slices. Okay, and you can actually from in here just change the style. Okay, if you click out of it and click into it, you can see the slicer tools option. So you can actually choose different colors in there. As that changes, the pivot table changes, which is connected to the pivot chart, and that changes as well. Okay, and then top right hand corner, just to clear it so we can have all the selections there. As we change one, we can see they both change as well. Okay, so that's pretty cool, isn't it? Okay, so there's a lot of great stuff that we're going to go through. So click at the bottom to register. Once you register, you get a free bonus Excel pivot table cheat sheet that you can keep and download. And I can't wait to see you on the inside to make you better at Excel, and you can stand out from the crowd.